Hey, good afternoon. My name's Walker Fortson. Um, Run a local shop in town, and this is my 1956 Ford Thunderbird that I just got done doing a full restoration on. This car originally come out of Burbank, California, um, come over to North Carolina in 1981 and sold to a gentleman right outside of Burlington in '82. And in 2021, I became the third owner of this car. It's been a good car. I only got to drive it one time though. Me and my wife took a drive from our home in Granite Quarry down to Dairy Queen, and the motor blew up. So after that, it turned into one thing into another, and it became a full-on frame-up restoration. Every nut and bolt's been replaced, refreshed, repainted, whole 9 yards. Um, Took us 2 years and 12 days to get it done. It's been a real labor of love, and quite a few busted knuckles and even one concussion whenever my wife fell off of the lift, helping me do a little bit of touch-up paint on it. The car is all original except for a few minor things, which I'll pop the hood here in just a second. I tried to put it back to stock, and I tried to do the car justice. I didn't want to chop it up, and this is pretty much her. I call her Lucille. So up underneath the hood, we have the stock 292 Y-block V8 motor. We did do a little bit of a dress-up kit on it with a John Moomert Y-block specialist aluminum intake, as well as a 1957 style Holley double pumper carburetor. Added air conditioning, a few upgrades to the cooling system, and just all around tried to make this car a good daily driver. So on the interior of this car, again, everything's been completely redone. All the upholstery was done by my friend down at Country Classic Interiors in China Grove. All the trim has been redone. We switched all of the lights over to an LED setup, all of which is still factory style, but again, with a little bit of a modern upgrade. A reproduction look-alike radio that has Bluetooth capabilities. Classic auto wear air conditioning setup where it uses the factory controls. We have the stock vinyl red and white seating with the Ford emblem right there in the center. We have all the original Ford brochures, manuals, stickers, whole 9 yards. So this car is supposed to be reproduced just like it's come off the factory floor in Burbank in '56. And on the back, we have the standard Continental kit with the Kelsey Hayes look-alike rims. And one signature thing about the Thunderbirds, especially '56, is the exhaust ports located on the side of the bumpers. This is our first year getting to come down to Salisbury Downtown Cruisers meetup since our cars have actually been fully rebuilt and able to be driven. We've been looking forward to come down and hang out with everybody down here for the past couple years. It's just a really great group of people to come down here and sit around, talk to about their projects, about their hardships, and at the end of the day, the cars that they get to show for it. We look forward to this every single weekend, and we hope to see more people come out here and enjoy it, and hope to hear more experiences like the ones we've had.